You welcome back to my channel once again. So this one here is going to move you a lot. Okay, so I have invited one of my best traders also in the house today so that we discuss one of the important topics that is disturbing a lot of people in this forex industry these days. Okay, so a lot of people are losing in the market these days. What at all is happening? Okay, I'm going to join him so that we discuss this so that he can also share his experience that he have in the market till he started trading, and I'm going to add mine to it. Okay, so let's go on. This is my friend that I am talking about, and he's one of the best trader out there. Okay, so welcome back to my studio.
Thank you.
How is trading?
Everything has been good, bro. But as usual, the market is the market, so we thank God.
Good. So there are lots of things disturbing beginner traders out there. So I invited you today so that we can talk on those kind of topics. Even we are going to have a lot of episode,
Yeah.
but this is just the beginning of this. So we want to talk about why traders are losing a lot in the market these days. Doesn't mean their strategy is not working. Doesn't mean they are not doing something right. By the way, you yourself, have you been making profits in this market?
Yeah, the forex market is the forex market. You make profit sometimes you lose. You give back to the market and all. But in all, it's been profitable so far. Going back to your question as to why forex traders aren't making money, sometimes I would say that maybe your strategy, you should take a very critical look at your strategy. If your strategy is works in the trending market, don't try using that same strategy in the ranging market.
Okay, so if I should get you right, so you mean maybe it's not time for your strategy yet, and you are forcing yourself to
Very
trade.
well, very well.
That is why a lot of people lose in the market
Very well.
because maybe you are using a ranging market strategy, and you are not forcing yourself on a trending market.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I've got it. So how long have you been trading in this market or in this industry? For how long? Because I know you for a very long time. You have been trading.
Yeah.
So now,
I've been in the first market for about 3 years now. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So for a lot of people losing, you think is because their strategy or it's not time for their strategy yet, and they're forcing it.
Yeah, so like I said, we don't create a forex market. The forex market is on its own, moved by so many, features. There are so many things that move the forex market, and we are just a fraction of it coming into the market as retail traders. Putting in a trade with our $50, $100, $1,000, So when you come into the market, you just have to follow what the market makers are doing.
Okay.
If the market is trending, and you are using your strategy is a ranging strategy, you shouldn't try to force yourself into the market.
Okay.
You are going to burn your account.
Okay.
So just make sure that everything that defines your edges in the market plays very well there. You go in, make your cool cash, go home, go and rest. Chill with your money and all. But if you want to force it, you're just going to burn your account.
Good. So if you are watching us right now, one thing that we are talking about is don't force your strategy if it's not time for it. And make sure you identify if your strategy works most in the trending market or in the choppy or ranging market, okay, before you go into the market. So anytime you open your chart, make sure you identify the structure of the market before you know what to do. Else you are going to lose a lot in the market. Okay, so moving on, let's look at another important things that you think a lot of traders are losing in the market. So what do you think is the next thing that lets a lot of people lose in this forex market?
Okay, so I think most people come into the forex trading markets with the wrong mindset. From all the things they see.
So that talks about psychology.
Very good.
Psychology,
yes,
okay.
Psychology and trading.
Okay, so how did psychology affect beginner traders to lose in the market?
Like I was saying earlier on, when you look at the forex market or how people, portray the forex market on social media, they see it as a very lucrative job.
Yeah.
Which it is actually.
Yeah.
But then, the manner in which they portray it is in a wrong way.
Yeah.
So many people see it and be like, oh, this is just about profitability.
Yes.
Making more money, putting in small, making in more money. So they come with that mindset.
So they come into the market with mindset of making a lot of money, like how they see big traders
Very well.
pulling in Range Rover,
Very well.
big houses, and all that. So
Very
they
well.
all have that mindset that when they come, they're also going to make it within a short period of time,
Very
forgetting it's a long-term business.
Very well.
Oh, okay.
They don't even look at how far the others that are making it have even come from. They don't even look at the mistakes that they even made on the way before they become that big.
They don't show their losses for us to see, but they only show profits, and that's lets a lot of people go into the deep because they think it's all about profits. Okay, so when they are not making the profit, then they started having some kind of issue with themselves that why this trader, for him, he is making profit every single day, so why not me?
That is it. So like I was saying, it is how most of us traders portray the forex market online.
Yeah.
We don't excuse me, say we don't tell beginner traders the truth.
The truth.
That
Good.
this is, it's a long term business. It's not like a get rich quick scheme.
Good.
You get it. You don't just come into it today and tomorrow you are living with billions of dollars.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notification, because I have a lot of tutorial for you to see. And also, when you are in my Telegram channel, you realize that I don't post signals every single day due to these things. So we that are real to the people online, they don't think we are doing the best because you don't give them signals every day, you don't do this. They think Forex is just something you just stand up and go into. They lose a lot, but they won't show you. Okay, they will never show you. I think this is the best things that they should learn from us, that your psychology works a lot in this industry. So if you don't use it well, you are going to lose. Okay, so don't have that mindset that you're going to get rich quick trading Forex. It's a bit by bit, and like this African, they don't have money to trade Forex. You can deposit $50, you deposit $100, thinking you want to make $5,000, $1,000.
That will take a very long time.
It's going to take you almost a year or
Very
two.
long time. If you want to actually grow your accounts, maybe consistent with your strategy, you don't want to just go in like flip. Flipping is a very good thing to do, but it is high risk. So it's like the same way that you can make a lot of money is the same way that you can lose your money is split second. And then you can't be flipping every day, flipping every day. You have to develop, that positive attitude of actually staying consistent with one strategy. Stop strategy hopping, moving from one strategy to the other. Today SMC, tomorrow top the analysis, and no. You should just pick one strategy and then move on.
I think this is just a stage we all pass through that.
I know, right?
You start trading, you do SMC, you go and do support and resistance, you start jumping from strategy to strategy. And I think it's just by the steps that you also have to follow before you reach the top. Okay. So right now we are here and we know what is good for us, and we are not stick to one strategy. And we are now understanding that it's not every single day you get a setup to trade.
That is very true. It is not every single day that you get a setup to trade. 80% of trading, or when we say trading in general, 80% is about patience. If you can actually wait, you will see what you define as an edge and an opportunity in trade. But if you want to, like, every day I need to make $30, every day I need to make $30, my brother, you are going to blow your account.
That's all talks about the psychology that we are talking about. If you don't have proper plan for yourself, that is what will happen to you. Your mindset have to be fixed on something. Like, this is a long-term business that I'm doing. It's not something like this poison schemes online. You put your money inside, in a week you get this. Forex is never like that. So you should understand that psychologists plays a lot in this Forex industry. Okay. So moving on, I think we have talked a lot with just these 2 points, and I think they are the very important ones. So I'm just giving you some minutes to talk about one important thing that we think we should add to these 2 points for our viewers to know what exactly they are doing wrong before they are losing in this market. Okay.
Thank you so much. So like we said earlier on, still on the trading mindset, the trading psychology, if you don't have the right mindset, you're not going to make it. So what you think about the market before you enter a trade, how you think during the trade, and how you think after the trade all comes together to define whether you'll be profitable or you'll not be profitable in the long term. You're coming into the Forex market, you've opened your chart. Now, what do you think before you even get into the trade, or what do you think before you press that buy or sell button? It matters a lot. Do you think that I must make profit? You shouldn't be consistent. You shouldn't be like, I must make profit. This trade I'm going to take, I must make profit. You're not the one that is making the market. You understand? So that's one thing that you should know. Now, when you're in the market, patience is one thing that is very necessary. If you are not patient during your trade, you're going to make very bad decisions. Very bad decisions like, not cutting your losses short. Very bad decisions like closing your trades, before they manifest or before they become profitable. One bad decision like taking your money too quick. You understand? Then after that too, after you place your trade or at the end of you closing your trade, what do you think about the market? Do you now think, I didn't make money, I lost this amount, so I need to come back to the market to revenge? That is where you end up increasing your lot size. Okay, you get it? Like the next trade, you are increasing your lot size with the sense that, let me make the money that I lost. You understand? And then if you follow that consistently, you are going to blow your account in no time. So those are the very few words that
so in addition to what we talk about, you mean patience also take a high impact in this trading industry. So if you're not patient enough, you're also going to lose your money.
Absolutely.
Good, good. So recap of all that we talk about to let you understand everything simple. We talk about trading strategy, and if your strategy is not working, you don't need to force in the market to get a setup to trade, because maybe your strategy works in the trading market and you are using it in the ranging market, and you know the forex market doesn't follow one trend. It always change every single time, and that's why we have three type of market structure. If you want to learn about that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We will do a video about market structure very soon. Okay, so next thing that we talk about is trading psychology. You must have a good mindset before you enter the market. If you don't have a good mindset before you enter, you are going to lose your money, because you are always desperate to make money in the market, forgetting that there is a loss also in this market. Also, the last thing that we also talk about is patience. Having a patience. If your strategy is not working, if you don't have enough money, you have to have patience, gather money before you enter this market. So these are the three important things you must take note of. If you work on these three things, you are going to be profitable in this market. Make sure you have a good strategy and identify the market structure of your strategy, and also have a good psychology of trading, and also have patience. So that is the exact three things that you should work on. If you are having one that is not working for you, make sure you work on that, and then you trading will
Go well.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think that is right.
Yeah.
Good. So thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
And then I would like to invite you. We talk about so many things. If you get a time.
I'll be ready. I'll be
Yeah.
ready.
Guys, see you in our next tutorial. In a week later, we will be dropping another tutorial.